This is the most massive bead collection I've ever seen, and we're opening bin number 47. Okay, we're going old school with this one, and we're going top down because I know some of these beads are impossible to see with the camera angle I've been doing, and this whole bin is full, so I really want to make sure we get a good look here. I'm super excited about this one. Even though I'm not a jewelry maker, I have been so obsessed over this bead collection because there's been some really cool things here I've never seen before. And yes, that is a bead. It does have a hole to string it. I just can't wait to see what's in here and share it with y'all, so I wanted to make sure you get a good look at everything. Oh my gosh, look at that cute little fishy. Is he a bead? Oh yeah, he's got a string as well, or a hole to string him. Super cute. And oh my gosh, look at this like little leaf with the grapes. This is beautiful. There is some of these large pieces as well. I can't tell if any of these are like handmade. I mean, it really looks like it is, doesn't it? There's some necklace, like an old necklace here. Oh, these are tiny little starfish. Hold on. Let's see if we can get these out. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. I forgot to see if there was a label. Oh, there is. It says Hill Tribe SS. Hill Tribe. Okay, it might be a brand, I would assume. Oh my gosh, there's this large shell as well. Absolutely beautiful. I have no idea how we're going to value these, and I have no idea how we're going to sell them. I think maybe initially we'll put them out as like a box, and then we'll decide if we're going to like break them down into little baggies. It's always a hard decision, but I don't know. I feel like if you like, you know, most of the stuff in here, you're going to like all of the stuff in here. Look at these gorgeous little babies. Oh my gosh. Okay, and for my TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram people, I'm going to have to do a little pan over like this because you're just going to be seeing a really zoomed in view. If you want to see the full versions, come on over to YouTube and look for bottom of the bin. All right, next up, this one is labeled Thailand, and I'm already obsessing over the colors in here. I mean, these are absolutely gorgeous. I really feel like I should get into jewelry making just because I love so much of these, but I don't know. It's never really been something I've super loved. I think the beads are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I don't even think I've seen anything like this before. It looks like these have some prices on them. I'm wondering if this is what each bead sold for. Like these say 75 cents, these say 25 cents, these say 80 cents. So maybe we'll use that to kind of go off of when we figure out our pricing. But oh my gosh, these are just so pretty. I love them. Oh, look at this little flower. It is beautiful. And there's these beautiful turquoise looking pieces in here. I think these are probably my favorite just because they have like all the different colors inlaid. I mean that, oh my gosh, they're just so pretty. We'll do a little pan over so you can kind of see everything in here. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm going to have to come up with some more adjectives this time. Silver plain chain, PL, is that what it means? Or plated, silver plated chain? Also, if anyone's new here, my name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply store called Bottom of the Bin, and we're located in Tampa Bay, Florida. People can trade in their leftover supplies to get store credit. And we recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies. Oh look, this is a little photo charm bracelet. How fun. And we've been opening them one bin at a time, finding all of the beautiful treasures. And we do have an eBay shop as well if you're not local to us. Some of this stuff will wind up there, but we do have a completely separate inventory selection, and that can be found through our website at bottomofthebin.com. We have over 50 bins in this collection, and we just keep finding more and more really incredible stuff. And this one, again, is just making me want to get into jewelry making. Here is a close-up of the chains. All right, up next, this one doesn't have a label, but these are like pinks and reds. Can't speak too much for the material, like what they're actually made of, but we'll still take a look here. Whoa, these are cute. They're like little squares. They're like a very dark ruby color. Ooh, I feel like I've seen something like this one before. I don't think it was this collection, but these are kind of like, they're clear on the outside and then they have a color in the middle. I always thought those were super pretty. Oh my gosh, these ones are little hearts. Oh, Oh, I love those. Oh my gosh. That's just absolutely precious. And oh, these ones are, I don't know, little hearts as well. They're just like more, they're longer shaped. Love those. I think what I need to do is maybe pick out some of my favorites and just have someone make me a bracelet. But you know, oh my gosh, these are hearts too. I don't really wear jewelry. I don't know, maybe I'll have someone make me a sun catcher because some of these are just, gosh, I'd feel really bad if I passed up on some of these and never found anything like this again. Those are so precious. These are sort of more like an orangish red. There's just a string of these. And underneath are these little diamond shaped ones. Oh, this is another really nice color. It's like more of a hot pink. They look like little bubbles. They're so cute. I can use different adjectives. They're so cute. Oh, I love them. And underneath those were these cubes as well. Oh, a couple different shapes in here. These are nice because they're almost a little bit metallic as well. And then this bag, oh, that's nice. That's more like a, I don't know, like a purpley pink color. I love all sorts of colors. I definitely lean more towards the pastels in my own personal preference, but some of these just like beautiful jewel tones are absolutely stunning. And underneath those are these really pretty cylinders. I really like when they don't look all exactly the same. Like that has such a beautiful variety, but they're still like the same color. That would make such a cute bracelet. Oh, those have like little, it's kind of hard to tell, but like little gold on the top and the bottom. It's a nice, nice dark red. Whoa. Look at these. These are like stones. Oh my gosh. So cool. These almost look like pomegranate seeds from far away. Let's see what they look like. Oh, okay. Definitely a pomegranate color. Oops, I'm dropping these. And these were underneath. Oh my gosh, I love, 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 love those. These have pretty gold and white swirls. And look at that pendant. Wow. That is a statement piece for sure. Little odd shaped ones under here. And these are really pretty. I mean, that color, oh my gosh. I don't even know what you would describe it. It's like a purpley pink. Obsessed with that color. And here's a closer look. Those hearts again, oh my gosh. I love the hearts. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't even know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Tell me, do I keep some? Do I sell them all? Will I have regrets? All right, here are some more reds. Let's get this one open. And then here's kind of a look at the labels in here. This one's not as full. This is handcrafted charms. I don't know which is which, but one of these are, oh, it must be these. Oh, I think these were in the other one. They're called Cathedral Ruby Bronze. Yeah, sadly, I think the labels are wrong. Or maybe, I don't know, these ones are called red flowers. I don't think they look like flowers, though, at all. Kind of this darker red, almost like a wine color here. There's a ton of these in here. There's some more little hearts. Ooh, I like these little more, you know, rounded, bubbly ones. And it's kind of hard to see, but they definitely have a bit of orange and purple in them as well. And there's some triangles. And here's our little pan over. This one's not as full as the others, but still some really, really nice ones in here. And before we move on to the next ones, I found a Bob hanging out with the red beads. I don't know, he definitely blends in, I think. I think he has a good camouflage going on here. What do y'all think? Next we have Freshwater pearls, exotics, and whites. Wow, these are really nice. You could tell their quality by the weight, I think, at least. I'm acting like I know what I'm talking about, but they definitely are very pretty. These ones are sort of I don't know, like opalescent. I don't know. The camera's not picking it up super well, but I'm getting like little flecks of pink and blue in the light. This is FPL. I'm not sure what that stands for. These look pretty similar as well. These are definitely more of like a creamy white. They're just so precious. And here is our closer look. This one also says freshwater pearls, exotics, and whites. Yeah, so these ones are all definitely more of a creamy color. They have little labels, so maybe this will help some of you who are looking for something super specific. So these ones are 8mm cream Swarovskis, and it says 45 cents. So again, I don't know if that's per pearl or per strand, because some of them aren't strands. This one says rice A white. Whole strand of those. These are called XL potato ivory. Very interesting. I wonder if the potato's for the color or for the shape. Ooh, these are kind of cool. These almost look like something you would find more naturally, or I guess they're all natural. I don't know. I have no idea, but these are a little bit more like non-uniform, I think is what I'm trying to say. We've got these, which are double XL champagne. I don't know if I get champagne from this color though, maybe. And these are 6mm cream Swarovskis. Oh my gosh, this is just so exciting. I don't even know what they are, and I'm excited. Ooh, look at these. These are really pretty too. Oh, this is mother of pearl. Okay. Absolutely gorgeous. And here's a better look at these ones. I have to go like really slow or they start to kind of blur. All right, and it looks like one more freshwater pearls. These ones are Tahitian. So this is definitely very pretty. I mean, I see a bunch of different colors in here. It looks like they're all just kind of grayish, but when you take a really close look at all those. There's like blue and purple and gold. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. Oh, I want to play with them. Oh my gosh, those might be my favorites we found so far. These ones say Bronze RD. And they've got sort of like a bluish greenish tint to them, which is really nice. These are gray green. I'm so glad these are labeled, like honestly. I mean, when I say this was like the most organized collection, I'm not kidding. I'm absolutely in shock at how well everything is just labeled and sorted and by color and by type. It is something that I aspire to with my own collection of literally anything. These ones are called Light Lilac. Let's see if they've got kind of a purple to them. Yeah, they do. I see some purple, some green. Wow. I'm loving these so much. I didn't know I could love beads so much. These ones don't have a label. They look a little bit darker than the others, so very pretty. I almost feel like I could make ASMR content out of this. I mean, if I was just like quiet, not for the unbinning videos, but like if I was just making a quiet video where I wasn't talking and you just heard like the sounds of the beads, I think that would be really fun. Let me know if you want to see something like that. And these are 8mm black. And here's a closer look at these. I think I'm going to keep that tiny little pack of rainbow ones I pulled out at the beginning because they are just so beautiful. I don't think I can put them back. Oh wait, I lied. There's more pearls. These are also freshwater pearls and they are pinks and peaches. Pink is actually my favorite color. I love turquoise as well. I mean, I really love rainbow. I love all colors, but oh, like these baby pink ones. Oh my gosh. Well, let's take a closer look at these. Ooh. Oh my gosh. So these all have the same sort of labels and pricing, anywhere from like, I don't know, these are like 45 cents to $1. I really need to figure out how like that's actually valued. I doubt it's per piece. Could it be per piece? I have no idea. And these are called, well, actually these were in here with these. So I think these are the mauve potato side drill, and I'm not sure what these light pink ones are. Wow, those almost look like glass. They're so pretty. Okay, I do think the potato refers to the size because these are called potato blush. I don't know if these are the exact same thing or they got mixed together on camera. No, yeah, this one looks a little bit more pink and this one looks a little bit more beigey, but I like them both. And these are called aqua rice. I'm going to sound like such an idiot if these are on the wrong bins, if they're labeled incorrectly. I'm just reading what it says. These ones say oh, you know what? Maybe the colors are wrong because look, this one says periwinkle, which these definitely look periwinkle, but the ones that were sitting on top obviously do not. Little tiny ones. These are more of a peach color and a bit more rounded. And here's a closer look at this one. I really love the pink and the peach together. That's like not a color combo I think of putting together very often, but wow. They just look so nice together. And then this one says sterling chain and findings. Oh my gosh, some of these prices. Look at these. $9.50, $14, $14.95, $19.50. Oh my goodness. I really don't know much about chains, so I'm not going to be very helpful with descriptions. So we'll just pull out a couple of these and look. It looks like there's also some sort of charms in this bin as well. That'll do it for bin number 47. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.